This really puts things in perspective here. Every 3 minutes, somebody is diagnosed with a blood cancer. And for many patients, a bone marrow transplant is the only cure.
Yeah, according to Be the Match, the International Marrow Registry, 80,000 patients have gotten a bone marrow transplant in the past 30 years. KVU's Christy Millward is here. Doctors say they need more donors. Christy.
Mike and Terry, according to Be the Match, only 30% of patients have a match in their family. That means 70% of people rely on a stranger to donate. But even on an international registry, people can have a difficult time finding a match depending on their race. That's why they need you. Michael Hassler sits in this chair every other week for his blood treatment.
They'll actually zap it with UVA rays.
It's part of his therapy after getting a bone marrow transplant.
Was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia.
Doctors found the cancer after Hassler's routine checkup last year.
When I heard leukemia, I heard death sentence.
But his doctor suggested a bone marrow transplant. After searching for donors worldwide, his brother was a match. This is a photo of the stem cells doctors took from Hassler's brother and placed inside him.
He saved my life. You know, he's my younger brother, so I would have done the same for him. He did it for me, and as you can see, it's kind of hard for me to talk about that without choking up, but he saved my life.
But that life-saving match isn't so common for most people and can be more difficult depending on your ethnicity. According to Be the Match, people who are white have a 97% chance to find a match. But people who are Asian only have a 72% chance, and those who are African American only have a 66% chance. That's why they need more donors.
If you're an underrepresented minority, it's very hard to find a donor.
Dr. Arvind Ramakrishnan, the director of the Adult Bone Marrow Transplant Program at St. David South Austin Medical Center, says those donors are crucial.
You can't do transplants without donors.
While he says each case is different and there are a lot of factors, he says a bone marrow transplant could be the cure up to 80% of the time.
And the more donors there are out there, the more patients we can save.
Patients like Hassler. Now, a lot of people say they're worried about the pain with donating, but doctors say that's not always the case. We have more on the 2 ways doctors can get bone marrow on our website at kvu.com. There's also a bone marrow drive next week at the University of Texas campus. You can also sign up online. We have a link to all that on our website. Christy Millward, KVU News.
It really is like giving a gift for sure.
And it's a good reminder that we can all do things like that.
Yeah.
All right.